welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Fitriani, and today video we are going to discuss an important topic in management, which is risk decision management. In real life situation, most decisions are not made under full certainty. Instead, they involve risks. That why understanding how to manage risk decision is very important, especially in business and organizational context. So let's get started. Risk decision management refers to a situation where decision makers must choose among several alternatives with uncertain outcomes, but the probability of each outcome can still be estimated. According to Irham Fahmi, decision under risk occur when there is limited certainty, yet sufficient information is available to analyze possible outcomes and their likelihood. This means that even though the future cannot be predicted with certainty, decision makers still have enough information to make logical and rational choice based on analysis characteristic of a risk decision. In general, risk decision have several distinguished characteristics. The outcome are uncertain but still measurable, and the probability of each outcome can be estimated. In addition, this decision always involve potential gains and losses. Because of this, risk decision require careful analysis, logical thinking, and rational consideration before making a final choice. In management theory, risk decisions are usually more complex than routine decisions because they can significant impact organizational performance, both positive and negative. Risks in decision making can originate from both internal and external factors such as market change, competition, and organizational limitation. Types of risks include financial risks, operational risks, strategic risks, external risks. In addition, according to Fahmi, risks often arise due to dynamic business environment and uncertainty, which require organization to be more adaptive and responsive in their decision making process. To support decision making under risk, several analytical approaches can be used, such as the aspect value approach, probability analysis, and decision metrics. This method help decision maker evaluate different alternatives more objectively by considering possible outcomes and their likelihood. By using this approach, decision maker can reduce subjective and improve the quality of their decision, making them more data driven and rational. Risk attitude and role of information. Individuals respond differently when facing risks. Some tend to avoid risks and choose safer options, while others are more willing to take risks in order to achieve higher returns. There are also individuals who are risk neutral and focus only on expect outcomes. At the same time, the availability of accurate and relevant information play a crucial role in reducing uncertainty and improving decision quality. In management practice, understanding a risk attitude is important because it influences how decisions are made and how risks are handled within an organization. Risk management strategies to deal with uncertainty. Organization can apply several risk management strategies such as avoiding risks that are too high, reducing the impact of risks, sharing risks with other parties, accepting risks with proper consideration. These strategies are part of broader risk management process which aims to control and minimize potential negative impact while still allowing organization to take advantage of opportunity. In managing decision under risks, there are several stages that need to be followed systematic. The process begins with identifying the problem, followed by gathering relevant information related to possible risks. After that, decision maker develop several alternatives and evaluates each option based on its potential outcome and probabilities. This structure process ensures that decisions are not made impulsively but through careful analysis and logical reasoning. According to Fahmi, applying a systematic decision-making process is essential to reduce error and improve the effectiveness of decision under risks. Role of probability in decision making. Probability play a crucial role in risk decision making because it helps estimate the likelihood of different outcomes. By using probability, decision maker can assess which alternatives are more likely to suit and which carry higher risks. This makes the decision process more measurable and objective, rather than relying solely on intuition. Advance of risk decision analysis. Analyzing a decision under risks provides several important advantages. It helps organizational make more rational and objective decision, reduce uncertainty and potential loss, identify hidden opportunity, improve planning and strategic thinking. With proper analysis, a risk can be managed effectively and even turned into an opportunity for growth. Limits of risk decision making. Despite its benefit, risk decision making also has some limits. One major challenge is the difficulty in estimating probabilities accurately, especially in complex or unpredictable situations. In addition, decision maker may be influenced by bias, limit information or time pressure, which can reduce the effectiveness of the analysis and lead to less optimal decision. This show that even with analysis, risks can never be completely eliminated. Importance of managing risks in organization. Managing risks is essential for organizational sustainability. Organizations that are able to manage risks decision will determine an organization competitiveness, adaptability, and stability in facing uncertain environment. Alright everyone, that's all for today decision about risk decision management. I hope this helps you understand how important it is to make and manage decision under risks in a structured and rational way. If you found in this video help, don't forget to like. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Video Octavian and see you in the next video. Bye bye.